Misha. Yeah, you had a piece. I think you threw it down through your cage bars. You were like, no way in hell. Misha's like, I ate all of mine, and I'm gonna eat all of them. So Misha likes salad. Misha's a good bird. These are turnip greens. Misha. You're such a good bird. You are such a good bird. Misha. It's a male. Just came. I'll give you a minute. Misha. Like $2 or $3. This is a lot cheaper than a bird toy, and it's very, very, very healthy too. Oh, Sara, you were out for like 3 hours today. Misha's such a good bird. Misha boo. Misha boo. Misha's such a good bird. Okay, you're all done? Where are you going? Like you dropped a lot on the floor. Good bird, Misha. Yep, that's in your house. Good bird. He likes to eat in his house. He likes to take leaves into his house. Misha, it's about time for you to get a new house. I'll give you a new house later. Misha Club. Club Misha. It's where he has his babies. That's what we call the balls that he likes to, the toys that he likes to play with. Good bird. Okay, well I'm gonna just like go over and do some computer work. You can play Blue is being a good boy. Blue is a good bird. Blue is very naughty, so that's why he's in his cage for the night. He's just a good bird. You can come out whenever you want and I'll pet you.